Hamza's channel blew up a few years ago from this video that he made, making him gain even more money from ad revenue, views and subscribers. But he created one product that allowed him to increase his income by over 10 times. If you have a small channel like me, you can also make money without reaching the requirements of YouTube Partner Program of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be eligible for ad revenue. You don't have to do this. You can do this just like Hamza did. But what systems did he put in place for this? He is a big YouTuber, but how can you do this as well? He had this website where he was selling different courses, some fitness ones and some Adonis school and some other school ones where he had like training, mentoring classes on there as well. So he simplified his products by just combining them to be one, and that is a monthly membership called Adonis School. Adonis is basically some kind of character that he made. He was a super giga chad, successful, hyper productive character, which is the opposite of a Jeffrey, which is like a weak man who is not self-confident. But Adonis School was the product that he used. You sign up on there monthly, so it creates a constant flow of income. But how did he do this? Hamza was helped by Andrew Kirby, a very seasoned YouTube consultant who helps people. With a channel of 1.5 million super loyal subscribers, Hamza was only making $20,000 a month, which is still a lot, but not that much. I will explain how he did this. Hamza is a self-improvement YouTuber from Warrington, which is a town near Manchester, England. He always showed promise during his childhood with the ability to demonstrate super focus and ability to work hard. We will continue his story later and how he got over 2 million subscribers. But right now, let's get back into the video. Hamza previously had like 5 different products on his website that weren't very well packaged and well designed and had bad sales pages. When he set up his one membership product where customers pay a certain amount per month, he pushed all of his traffic to this one product, and that allowed him 10 times his income, from $20,000 per month to $200,000 per month. This is the power of having a super loyal subscriber base. Instead of targeting a lot of viewers who have a lot of different interests, like in the entertainment niche where people just watch anything, your video should be about one topic, one niche. Everyone who is interested in that will be super focused on your channel. They will be loyal, they will listen to you, they will do anything you want. You will be like a cult leader. Hamza calls himself a cult leader. That's how loyal his fans were. So then it doesn't matter, they can just pay for his membership. It's not really a big deal for them. And that creates a large amount of income for him. So you can do this as well. Also sell a course, or you can sell a digital product like an ebook, but don't have like a million different things. Just have like one ebook or something. Just have like 1 or 2 ebooks, or have like 1 course or 2 courses. Don't make the customer confused with a lot of products. Okay, if this video is helping you out so far, then I ask that you consider subscribing to this channel, Tube Hustle. My name is Mahad and I make super useful YouTube tip videos. My channel is actually currently small at the time of this recording, but it is growing and we are all growing together. I gather the most useful tips about YouTube and I put them all into this package, gather them and I simplify them into useful YouTube videos. I believe you can achieve the successful life that you want as a YouTuber and generate a side hustle income and escape the 9 to 5 and live a life of financial independence and happiness. I believe in you. You can do this. You deserve this. It is possible to be a big YouTuber. Don't listen to negative people. You just need to keep putting in the work and keep learning and keep applying yourself. Even in just a few months, you can actually get big nowadays. Okay, let's get back into the video. But why did this work for Hamza? And do other businesses even do this? We will explain this more as we carry on in this video. This is in fact what Apple does, only selling a small range of iPhones, Pro, the Pro Max and the Plus. This prevents what is known as decision fatigue in your customers. They can make a decision easier. Decision fatigue in decision making and psychology, it is the deteriorating quality of decisions made by an individual after a long session of decision making. Decision fatigue occurs when a person is overwhelmed by a number of decisions they must make, leading to a depletion of their mental resources. In the context of shopping, this can manifest as confusion, hasty or regrettable purchases, or even the postponement of decisions. People might not even buy the product. They might just so confused and then just walk away from your website or from the shop. Hamza started working on his channel really hard in March of 2020. His self-improvement and dating advice channel wasn't really seeing any growth. He was stuck. So he started thinking, how can I create a large loyal community? In order to capture the attention of his viewers, he focused on one particular type of viewer. Young men aged 18 to 35 who were looking for dating advice on how to be more successful with women. Countless hours of YouTube growth tutorials. He would lure in the viewers with dating advice, but then he would teach them the truth. The truth was that self-improvement leads them to be successful in dating as well. But there was a problem. So many other YouTubers were in that space. It was competitive. Competition was fierce. How could he stand out? He put on his signature bathrobe and chain and started speaking directly to the camera in a genuine way. This helped him stand out and connect with his audience. He talked about the physical and verbal abuse he faced at the hands of his father and brother, who he has now made up with, and also some encounters with racist people near Manchester, England, which is where he is from, originally being from Pakistan. After connecting with and growing his audience, he was able to launch a fitness course and a few other courses, and he didn't really promote them, but the one membership course blew up his income and he was able to retire his parents, family and girlfriend successfully. Okay, here's a mistake that a lot of YouTubers do. I repeat, do not do this. Don't fill your comment section with 100 different affiliate links at the start. Just put your website product there right at the beginning. People will see it and click. You tell the customers that the only thing they need to purchase is that one product, and then you will see an increase in your sales. So Hamza was losing out on his potential. Many YouTubers don't fully monetize their channel and miss out on the potential of doubling, even tripling their channel's revenue. There are so many ways to monetize your channel. Here are a few: affiliate marketing, sponsorships, shouting out other YouTubers, Patreon, and also that one thing that Hamza did, which was selling a membership on a website. What Hamza did was he fully monetized his channel the proper way, earning less than 100k a month. Actually, earning less than 100k a month makes him nervous because he doesn't see earning less than 100k a month as successful. Can you believe that? Okay, let's do some math here. If your video on your channel gets 5,000 views and 1% of the viewers actually buy your product that you are selling in the description, 1% of 5,000 is 50 people. 50 times $50, that's $2,500. That is what you can earn from just one video. But if you have a lot of videos, then you can earn even more. If your video gets 100,000 views, you can get so much more. If your video gets 200,000 views, let alone 1 million, you actually get a lot of income, not just from your ad revenue. This is from your sales. So this is another tip for your channel that you can do. You can sell something on your YouTube channel. You don't have to be super big YouTuber to earn, and this is actually preferred because YouTube doesn't really control this. Change your ad revenue or something, but these sales are yours. They are separate. They are on your website. There are other ways to actually increase your income on YouTube, and I've explained them right here in this other video that I have made for you that talks about this right here.